Welcome to day 7 of No Stress November, where we make 5 ingredient meals so we have less mess, less stress, and more yes. Today we are making a Swedish meatball in the crock pot. We're going to start by mixing up our sauce right in the crock pot, and it's 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. If you do not like cream of mushroom, use cream of something else. Then we're going to use 2 cups of beef broth. I'm just going to whisk that together. And about 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Literally can't say this. I know you guys always tell me to say Worcestershire sauce. You can also use A1 steak sauce here. Now, if you want to add more seasonings, nutmeg's really nice in this. A little bit of salt and pepper would be fine in this. You don't want to put too much because you're already going to get quite a bit from the other, like the Worcestershire. But okay, once you're done with that, you're going to add 1 bag of home-style meatballs. This one is 32 ounces. Stir it so that they are all coated, and then put the lid on and cook on high for 2 to 3 hours until the meatballs are heated through and that sauce is starting to get like brown on the edges. When your crock pot is almost done, you're going to cook egg noodles to serve this over. You can also serve it over mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, rice, whatever you want. Okay, it's been a couple of hours. Ooh, our meatballs are smelling great. They look amazing. Look at that, it's so saucy. Okay, so at this point, we are going to add in a 1/2 cup, give or take, of sour cream. This is just gonna make it extra creamy, but you don't wanna do this early or the sour cream will split and curdle. It doesn't taste very good. So we're gonna stir that in. You can also add an onion soup packet mix if you want, or onions early on in this if you'd like. I'm keeping it under 5 ingredients. I'm trying to keep it really simple. The other thing you can do to make it a little more authentic flavor for Swedish meatballs is add just a pinch of nutmeg, because nutmeg is part of that delicious flavor profile. And then add in your egg noodles. I just cooked the egg noodles stovetop before I added them in. And look at that, you have a complete meal. I'm gonna put the lid on and let it cook for 20 more minutes just to warm it all the way through and just let those final flavors combine. And then we'll serve it with a little fresh parsley. Look at that.
Creamy, cozy, and unbelievably easy, these slow cooker Swedish meatballs are the kind of dinner you'll want on repeat. If you love this recipe, hit the follow button for more no-stress meals that make family dinner a breeze. Save this video so you can make it later, and tag a friend who could use an easy recipe in their life.
I just love a super quick and easy meal, especially one that's this big on flavor and minimal work. Yes.